In the last session, we have seen how we have learned about how we are going to use reusable components with a single property name, and we how we are going to able to retrieve in reusable components with the props and children. So it gives the list of all children names. So it, this will be okay if it has only one property, but if you would like to have like more than one property or one name, like first name and last name, and how we are going to do it. So we're going to learn now how we are going to achieve this. First name and the last name. I'm just going to simply copy and paste the remaining two names. These are three names as a first name and last name. So we'll see it how we're going to see it in a reusable component. So here it has one, and I'm going to write down last name and first name separately. It won't work with the prof start children. Prof start first name. So it has two values. Now we're going to return with the two values. We'll see whether this works or not. Oh, some syntactical comma. Okay. So it giving you this last names only. So because it's returning the last name, it's not returning the first value. So there is a way we can make as a single return. So we can use dev tags. No, something breaking. Um, looks like oh, still breaking. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I forgot this closing brace and opening brace. So for return with the both of the statements. So hope it works. Yeah. The first name, last name. Yeah. So this you can use either dev tags or another concept called fragments. fragments which can use in place of dev. So it looks like there may be some CSS issues may cause with the dev tags. So we can do it with the fragments. So the fragment is a part of React. We can use it. We can import the fragment from React. We can see it how we are going to do it. Import React fragment, and this fragment we can use in place of dev. So dev may cause some CSS loading issues or CSS formatting issues. So but use fragments in case if you're not able to use devs. Yeah, same names. Yeah. There is another way we can use if you don't want to use fragments. You can remove as like empty tags. So we can use empty tags as well. So in terms, it will be as a fragments, acts as a fragments. Remove fragments is empty tags. Yep. Save. You remove this fragments and save. Yep. Same. First name, last name. And there is another way we can declare as a array if the I mean to say if more than one value we can declare as array as well. So it will treat as one value as one element in an array. So we should make it as a comma. So declare end tag of the array. It will be the same values. So, so now everything is in an array, so we can declare as one part of the and the we can use the dev, and I want to use dev and to make it as both first name and last name in a single box. So just wanted to move the class name into the dev tag and see whether this both can be clubbed together. So remove here and copied in dev to make both both first name and last name in a single box.